Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back. Mosman on the gas. I've been away for a while, so there's quite a few updates I have missed. A couple of big ones as well, hence the drop in share price to 0.026. Current share price 0.026 apparently. This happened after close on Friday. 5 day chart up 7%. 1 month we're down minus 14. 6 months we're down minus 63% from that spike back in May. Year to date we're down minus 14%. So what's happened since I've been away? A couple of things happened. There's been a placing, company name change, oversubscribed, retail offer as well, Curly Wash prospective Helium resource as well. So yeah, let's start from 17th of October. So I think the last video I made on Mosman was actually changing of the name. I think it was this one here, 10th of October. So I kind of missed all of these ones. So you can see before the placing happened, they posted up the Curly Wash prospective Helium resources of 1,072 mmcf. So this one was like 4 days before the placing, which I guess they did to try like boost the share price up, right? So obviously here, what they mentioned was they done an independent report. They did a report within Mosman, and the next steps was that they engage in Sproul again, who did the Sagebrush consultation as well to verify the prospective Helium resources. So in this one, Howard said, following Sproul's successful independent verification of Facebook, we look forward to engage them again to confirm and refine these results as we advance towards drilling and development. So yeah, that was the last one. Some other context you guys need to know is that because of the US government shutdown also happening right now, that's kind of delayed the approvals of the government for Mosman to come operator on Sagebrush and Curly Wash. What is this? Continue without disabling. And then yeah, next up we had like 4 days later we had a placing 1.67 million. I didn't expect this one to happen, but I just hope that now that they've done this placing, which actually added 7.4 billion shares into the market, right, at a price of 0.025. That there's not going to be another placing that's going to happen for a while. We can see what they said, that they've done this to progress helium projects in the United States with Sagebrush and Curly Wash. Fundraise from placing together with current cash balance of approximately 1.2 million will be used to continue progressing exploration activity. Net proceeds will be used for independent resource validation at Curly Wash. So that's a Sproul report that we've seen on RNS on Friday. Activities at Sagebrush 3D seismic interpretation, extended well test as well, well planning, long lead items, field operations. So yeah. The chairman here said, we thank our investors for the continued support and look forward to delivering material progress and value creation through Q4 into 2026. So, it seems that, they're fully funded up now. There's no excuses. Like, it's basically like last chance saloon right now for the company. And then, yeah, so we had that retail offer, then the fully subscribed offer, and then on the 7th of November, they did the Sproul to verify Curly Wash Helium resource. So following up from the RNS in October that I just showed you guys, that that they've formally engaged Sproul to undertake an independent consultation on Curly Wash to see what the resource perspectives are saying. Obviously, this adds value because then if Mosman want, they can do like a joint venture, a farm out, whatever, to get another big player on board to help with the costs of exploration and development as well. So yeah, following a background, we can see what Howard said here. We're very pleased to be again working with Sproul, this time to verify internal helium resource estimates. Curly Wash, this review marked Mosman's second independently verified helium resources following Sproul's certification of Sagebrush earlier this year. Major milestone, blah 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 blah. Curly Wash already represents over 1 billion cubic feet of best estimate helium resources across 6 defined prospects. Independent verification will provide additional confidence in those figures and allow us to advance detailed planning for drilling and development with 2 verified helium projects, 1 drilled and cased well ready for testing, and 3D seismic expected to commence this quarter. So yeah, still hoping this can happen by end of the year. Mosman is now in a strong strategic position ahead of many peers in terms of resource definition and proximity to potential production. We're building a substantial helium business with clear momentum and tangible value catalysts ahead. So that's what's happened. That is the latest RNS, 7th of November it happened. So I think this may actually be the last video with the name Mosman, because I think the new name changes is going to happen at some point this month as well, early this month. where they're going to be changing it to quantum helium, I believe. So yeah, get ready for that. So yeah, we can see the AGM will be held on 10th of November actually, so it's tomorrow. So yeah, they're going to change the special resolution company name from Mosman Oil and Gas to Quantum Helium Limited, reflecting the company's focus on helium exploration and development. So guys, yeah, a lot has happened this couple of weeks. Obviously the big one is the placing that happened. It kind of makes sense why all the previous like RNSs that came out, the share price just was not budgeted. It seemed the market was aware, but I'm hoping now that this RNS placing is done, the Sprawl report is done as well, that we can see a slow and steady increase in the share price. First steps, obviously, to get back to the 0.03 mark, and then hopefully we can build on in Q4 and the next year, get past our previous highs of 0.07. So yeah, a lot to look forward to. Current market cap, 10 million actually right now, is it? Oh yeah, we've reached 10 million market cap. Obviously because of the increased amount of shares in the market now as well. So yeah, that's been Mosman, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on what happens. And I am invested in Mosman still. Currently sitting at a loss, but I have full faith, and inshallah, the new CEO and Sagebrush and Curly Wash can deliver on all our expectations. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm hoping the US government shutdown ends as well, so they can become officially operator, and then start doing that 3D seismic work, and then get onto the extended well test as well, which I think will unlock a lot of value for Mosman. So yeah, just a waiting game at the moment. Let's just see how things go. A good price now to accumulate, I'd say, just slightly above the placing price, because I don't see how we can stay at this share price once all the news starts flowing in, especially for a 10 million market cap company when you've seen that Curly Wash has 1 billion cubic feet of potential helium, Sagebrush as well, around the 400 million to 500 million mark. There's a lot of value to be made in Mosman. So yeah, just a waiting game. Let's see how it goes. And as always, be sure to subscribe and share. Comment below your thoughts. If you're invested in Mosman, if you're a shareholder, let me know your thoughts. Where do you think this company is going in the future? As well, I think at some point they may need to do a share consolidation as well. 30 billion shares on the market now. I think going forward, at some point, I'd expect share consolidation to happen as well. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe and share. And peace.